thanks to a tool I have never talked about before on my channel. This works worldwide. As you can see, it's one of the easiest ways for you to make money online. And if you follow all the steps in this tutorial, you will be able to set up this passive income stream for yourself and start making money online with ease. Now, just before we start, I want to remind you that if you like my content and want to see more, smash that like button down below in appreciation. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. With all that said, let's now jump straight into the video so that I can show you everything. Okay, so a website we will be using today in order to make money online is this one here called EchoClincher.com. This is a social media management tool. As we can see, immediately when we come onto this platform, it will basically manage your social media accounts for you. And the reason so many people need to have their social media managed for them is simply because they are either unwilling to do it themselves, or they are too busy to do so. And I'd say that business owners are the people who make up the bulk of the customers for this website. Because think about it, if you are running some business, how much time will you really have to also run your own social media? Not that much, really. And this tool is perfect for such people, because not only will it run their social media for them, but it will also make them grow, which in turn will also lead to the owner of the business making more money, as social media nowadays is a huge part of running a business. And that is seen in the fact that some of the biggest companies today have Instagram, Facebook, and other social media accounts. Now, with that said, since I know most of you watching this don't run a business, how is this website here going to make us money? Well, I want you to keep watching, because I will not only show you soon enough exactly how this will get us paid, but also the tool that I came across recently, that you've seen in that intro, with which we can literally earn thousands of dollars with ease. Anyhow, you can read more about this site here, take a look at some of the features it offers. But as I said, since we aren't customers, all the features that it has aren't really that relevant for us. And as such, what you need to do on here is come to the very top of the page, hover your mouse over a company right here. And then you want to select Partner Affiliate Program, as we will want to promote this website as an affiliate. And doing just that can get us paid very, very nicely. Per a single person you refer to here, you will earn between $50 and $100. And that is a lot of money. If you refer 100 people in a month to this website, that would be between $5,000 and $10, 1,000 made just like that. So it has a lot of potential to get you paid. And it only gets better from there. Not only do you get paid a lot of money, but there is an endless pool of potential customers for Accenture. As you can see here, in 2020, over 3.6 billion people were using social media worldwide, a number projected to increase to almost 4.41 billion in 2025. There are literally millions upon millions of people all over the globe who are running a business and would need help managing their social media accounts. And they are all potential customers. Furthermore, something that makes it way easier to persuade someone to try this out is the fact that the site offers a 14-day free trial. As I'm sure most of you know, the hardest part about affiliate marketing is trying to get someone to try out the site or product you're promoting, as they are obviously not that thrilled about investing money in something that they aren't sure is legit and will actually pay off for them. But with a free trial here, not only will it become much easier to get someone to try this site out, but once they do, and they see that it's completely legit, and it's actually going to help them a lot, they will be willing to pay them to manage their social media, which in turn would also mean you getting paid as well. So as you can see, guys, this site's affiliate program has a number of big benefits. It's easier to get someone to try the site out thanks to the free trial. You have an endless pool of potential customers. And lastly, you will get rewarded very handsomely whenever you refer someone to here anyhow, to sign up for their affiliate program. What you need to do is click on Apply here. Then you want to enter all of this info, your email address, first and last names. These 3 boxes you will leave blank since they're not mandatory to fill in, as obviously not every affiliate will have a company and/or our website. What you want to do is select your country, and now is the perfect time for me to show you what you've seen in that intro. Just check out all the countries that are available for this website. This does work worldwide, and it makes no difference whatsoever where you are coming from. Anyhow, when you select your country, you will need to enter your address, phone number, password, the links to all your social media. Tick this box to agree to their affiliate terms, complete this CAPTCHA and click on Sign Up to finish the process. Now what happens from there is it will take a few hours for you to get approved into their affiliate program. But once you do and you receive an email from them, you will now be able to grab that affiliate link, and wherever someone clicks on it, and then that same person signs up to a clincher, you will get paid. And now that you have that link, it's finally time for me to show you exactly where you will get traffic. And I have two methods for you. The first one is simply through the use of various freelancing platforms, like Fiverr, People Per Hour Freelancer, and many others. I'll use Fiverr here as an example. But you do want to keep in mind that what I'm about to do applies to all the others. Now what you will want to do, guys, is search for social media management. So you want to find and contact people who are managing other people's accounts. And these people are the perfect customers for us. Why? Well, think about it. They have all these customers reaching out to them. And they have to manage all those accounts by themselves. Even though they are getting paid a lot of money, like this person here who is charging $75, they do not have that much time on their hands. And what do you think will happen when you present them a tool here that will allow them for a small investment to manage far more accounts, and thus make far more money? Most of them will be willing to give it a try. And this is why these people are the perfect customers. They have the money to pay. And they definitely will be willing to try a clincher out, since it can make them more money ultimately. And basically, what you will do is you want to contact all of the people that you can find on Fiverr, on People Per Hour, on all those freelancing platforms. Tell them about Eclincher and all of its features, including the free trial, thanks to which many will be willing to give it a try. And let me remind you, you need like 10 people trying it out for you to earn between $500 and $1,000 just like that, which is just insane. This is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and you like my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and appreciation. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching. And I will see you in some of the next videos.